Let's get to Rick Santelli. Morning, Rick.
Good morning, Carl. Yes, new home sales for the month of January expected to be 684,000 seasonally adjusted annualized units. Comes in a bit on the light side at 661,000 units, and last month gets downgraded from 664,000 to 651,000. Maybe the most important issue to remind viewers is the last time we were over 700,000. That was in July of last year. We remember last week rates are back above 7%, as we saw in the mortgage surveys. And new homes, well, they may be exactly the sweet spot, considering those who already own homes don't seem very anxious to be taking out new, higher mortgages. Two auctions today, $63 billion 2 years at 11:30 Eastern, $64 billion 5 years at 1 Eastern. Debt is a big story these days. And for a deeper look at new home sales, let's go to Diana Olick. Diana?
This is a clear miss. Look, the December number was revised down significantly, so even though we had a pop-up in percentage in January, it's still much lower than expected. The price was down 2.6% year over year on a newly built home in January, and the month supply, 8.3. That's up slightly from 8.2. But there's an interesting number in this report, which I like to look at, which is homes that have sold but are not yet started. And we're seeing a significant drop in that number from last year. And that basically means that the builder backlog is thinning out. And that's because demand is coming down. Mortgage rates, that's an important one for what we saw in January. It was still in the 6% range, down off that 8% high that we saw in October, but in the higher 6% range. Now, of course, we're over 7%. But the builders, some say they're seeing considered demand, but they're also having to buy down mortgage rates. So when you see that drop in 2.6% in prices, that's not the full picture, because the price, if you factor in how much the builders are buying down the mortgage rates to get their customers in the door, that comes off their margins as well. So it's not a great number. And I would also note that the housing starts number came down nearly 5% in January, which kind of looks forward to what the builders expect ahead. Toll Brothers last week told us that they were seeing increased demand in January, but remember, Toll is on the very high end of the market. The regular side of the market still seeing buyers pinched, higher mortgage rates, and the affordability issue. So there you have it, guys. Back to you.